Back in what I call the city limit spot. Wanted to run part of this that I didn't get to the other day. Got one right down there. Looks like down there, if you look, busted off. Still fine. There's a lot of weird looking bucks in here. Oh, I know what deer that is. This is a few years old. So there's that big, it's the same property that I have that big old 3-point side from, and this is absolutely it from a couple of years ago. And I have a side off of him from last year too. I got 3 years of that deer now. Never grown any more points, I guess. Downhill just a little farther. It's been a while though. I crossed the creek on the other side. Got one there kind of hiding from us. Almost got past it. Obviously gold. That's okay. Looks like it's got a big old brain abscess. Yeah, that was gnarly coming off, huh? Dang. I don't imagine that one felt too good. But we got some big storms, I think, coming, and probably gonna start working our way out of here. Maybe we'll find another one or two old ones though.